Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Ultimate. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic which is gym interiors. Based on real-time case scenario, let me share with you one of our experience with the client who has visited our showroom at Mohali. What happened was this client had visited us and we usually have interactive session with them where we discuss about budgets. In that discussion, the client had told us that his overall budget for setting up a gym was about 23 lakhs. So my immediate question was how much for the equipments and how much was for the interiors. The client told us that his budget for equipment was about 20 lakh rupees and for interior 3 lakh rupees. So it was very surprising to know that the client had kept a budget of rupees 3 lakh rupees just for the interiors. So today we will discuss about a general scenario of a 2000 square feet gym wherein I'm going to talk about how much you should be realistically spending on the gym interiors, because most of the gym owners today only focus on just filling their gyms with equipments, but they completely ignore the fact that gym interiors are equally important for gym business to generate good ROIs and give good profits. So moving on, you can just grab a pen and paper and make your notes because I will be discussing everything in detail with you. So let's start with the reception area and let me explain to you what all is important to have in a reception. Beginning with, we will start with the table. So table is a basic necessity. So reception table will cost you about 15 to 20,000, and then moving on, you can also have a couch. This will cost you about 22,000 to 25,000, but if you want to save up some cost, then you can always opt for a table and 4 sitting chair 1,000. Then you can also have an LCD to display all your running offers or activities that you want to display. Then you have the very most important thing is the gym logo. So the gym logo will cost you about 7 to 8,000. LCD will cost you about 20,000 to 25,000. So the whole reception will cost you about 60 to 70,000 rupees. So let's move on to our strength and cardio area. It is very important to separate your reception area from rest of the gym. You can always do this by having a glass division. So for a 2000 square feet of gym, the normal cost for having a glass division will be somewhere around 25,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. And depending on the size of the gym, this may vary. So let's move on to cardio section. In cardio section, flooring is very important. Either you can go for a vinyl flooring or a wooden flooring. The reason why we suggest vinyl or wooden flooring is because it is cost effective, low maintenance, and it also provides a long life to the floor. So approximate cost for this wooden flooring for a 2000 square feet of gym will be somewhere around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So moving on, if in your cardio section you have lot of sunlight coming in, you can always have blinds in place. These blinds will cost you somewhere around 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. So let's move on to our strength section. In strength section, flooring is very important. Make sure that you have rubber floorings done to your strength area, because it provides better protection to the flooring and soundproofing. The cost for rubber flooring for a gym space of 2000 square feet will be somewhere around 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. As you all know, everybody likes to see themselves working out in the mirror. So mirrors are very important. Not just a feel-good factor, but also mirror makes the space look very much spacious. So it is very important you have more amount of mirrors in your cardio area as well as in your strength area. Mirrors for a space of 2000 square feet will cost you about 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Moving on to washroom area. Make sure you have enough space for shower area, toilet area and lockers. The washroom area and the shower area will cost you somewhere around 20 to 25,000 rupees. Lockers will cost you somewhere around 30 to 35,000 rupees. Overall, your budget with tiling work, mirrors, lights and sanitary fittings will cost you somewhere around 1.5 lakhs. So this budget is specifically for a single gender specific washroom. Music system may vary from the budget of 30,000 to 80,000, but that completely depends on the brand you choose. Wall paint will cost you somewhere around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, but you can also add some flavors by adding some colorful posters to your walls. So the posters will not cost you much, but approximately around 15 to 20,000 rupees. Moving on to security, CCTV cameras are very important for security. So the entire setup will cost you somewhere around 30 to 40,000 rupees. Ventilation is very important in the gym because people sweat a lot, so proper air circulation has to be there. So for that you require good air circulation. So ACs are very important. Previously in the gyms you have a duct AC, but now you have nozzle ACs which provide proper air circulation. You can also add up some fans to the walls for the air to keep circulating in every direction. Apart from that, also have a proper exhaust system also, because you would not like to work out in a very smelly space. So make sure that you have proper exhaust implemented in every corner of the gym.
The cost for ACs will be around 35,000 rupees per ton. So for 10 ton, 4 lakhs will be the total expenditure on ACs.
The fans is normal. You can use fans of any brand. That is the small rotating fans that you see on the wall. That will cost you somewhere around 15,000 rupees. Exhaust system will cost you around 10 to 15,000 rupees. Hydration is very important during workout, so make sure that you provide water facilities for clients who are working out. Make sure that you have 2 water dispenser or a single water dispenser available at all times. Each water dispenser will cost you somewhere around 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. For reception, stationery is very important. You can keep a minimal budget of 5 to 10,000 rupees for stationery. Then you can also have a dedicated system or a laptop. But make sure you also have a gym software in place, which is very important if you're going to have clients coming into the gym. Data management is going to be an issue. So this will help you in tracking all the clients that are coming to the gym. And this will cost you somewhere around 50 to 60,000 rupees. But do remember, the price may vary according to the gym size and the products that you use in your interiors. Thank you for watching Pro Ultimate. This is Sarabjit here signing off.